Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Miss A or Shop Miss A haul video. Basically, it's from makeup to like organization stuff. So if you want to see what products I got in this order, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you look drinks or makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell to notify whenever I upload. And if you could like the video if you like it, and the video's going to start right now. So I always have a Shop Miss A playlist, which is always linked down below if you want to catch up on some of my latest videos from them. But basically, this is going to be a massive Shop Miss A haul. And this is just one out of the two that I placed recently. So I'm still waiting on another order. So yeah, let's just see what products are in here. Honestly, I kind of forgot what products I ordered. I just kind of opened it up and didn't touch it. It's actually been here for a couple days now, but let's just get into it and let me show you what I bought. So let's just start off with the two products that I'm not really gonna open, and I'm kind of trying not to look at them. I bought two of their mystery little bags. They retail for $10 each. So basically I got two of them so I can unbag it with my sister. I'm thinking for either a reel on Instagram or a YouTube video. So let me know if you guys want to see that down below in the comments, because I really do want to do that again. I did do that type of video with her a couple years back, so I want to see if we can do a revamped version. So I went ahead and picked up two of their mystery bags. They went ahead and added a bunch of organizational products. So I picked up 4 of their bamboo racks, and these are from the Oki official key items collection, and they retail for $188 each. So basically it looks like this. I'll put a picture of how it's supposed to look when it's put together. There's actually a picture back here, and you can use it for like palettes or whatever you want. So yeah, I kind of want to see how these work. I don't know where I would put these. I don't know if I have room for these right now, but I love changing up my organization and stuff. As you guys know, I've been switching things up around my room and stuff. So we're going to see how I make these work, but they're really easy to put together. So they basically come in this clear bag, and then you just, you know, put it together yourself. So I picked up 4 of these. All right, they added a bunch of makeup-y kind of products. The first product here is actually a lip scrub. So this is the Papa Sweet Pouch Sugar Lip Scrub. I decided to pick one up. Why not? And this is actually a big tube. So these retail for $155, as you can see. I love that they put the price on the actual product. And this is the one in coffee. Now, did I bring stuff to open these things with? No, but we're going to make it work. So that's what it looks like once it's out of that plastic cover situation, and you open it up. It doesn't have any type of like seal or anything. It's just there, and that's how the coffee one looks. Now I'm gonna give it a smell. Oh my gosh, it actually smells like real coffee. I thought it was gonna be like a cute, playful, kind of almost like mocha smell, but it literally smells like coffee beans. Wow, okay. And again, there's a look at the lip scrub. I definitely can't wait to see how this works on my lips and how intense it is. But again, this is $155 on their website. I went ahead and picked up this product. They added a bunch of the Big Boss balms. So this is basically for your lips, for your hands, and your body. And they actually have some type of products that are kind of like this, where it's to like hydrate your skin. You can use it on your elbows or whatever it may be, but I guess now they came out with a stick version. I'm honestly just going to use it for my lips. I love lip balms, so I went ahead and picked up the raspberry scent. So there's a look at the packaging. So cute. And this did retail for $155. So there's a look at that lip balm. Again, I got the raspberry scent. Honestly, on the website, I thought it was going to be a lot smaller, and it's actually really big. I honestly wasn't expecting it to be this big, but it's supposed to smooth and hydrate. Again, I got the raspberry one, and let's give it a twist. So that's how that looks, and now let's give it a sniff. It's like a light raspberry, nothing offensive. Honestly, smells okay. Again, you really have to get in there to smell anything, but this is so cute, and I definitely can't wait to try this out. Now, this product I picked up because I don't even know, girl. So this is their freckle marker. I picked up one from Shop Miss A as well as on SheGlam. So are we gonna do a dual of the freckle pen? I think we may. I picked up the shade dark brown, so maybe we'll have to do a show off between this one and the SheGlam one. Let me know if that will be something that interests you down below. This did retail for $155, and it creates faux beauty marks. And again, it looks really promising. I know the beauty mark trend and the freckle trend is really big right now here on TikTok and Instagram and everywhere. YouTube, you know, wherever. Huge. A lot of people love that freckle look. Honestly, I have freckles, I cover them up, but why not try it out with a revamped like kind of pen situation. So there's a look at the freckle pen. Again, I got the shade dark brown. I kind of want to see, yes, the name is in the actual product, it's on the bottom. And there's a look at that. And then let's give it a swatch, why not? So that's how it looks, right? So I guess like when you do little dots, it would look like that. So I definitely can't wait to try it out. I want to see which one is better, I guess, from this one or the SheGlam one. So I went ahead and picked this up as well. I haven't tried it out at all. For some reason, I thought I ran out of my Artista liquid liner in brown. And I was like, oh my God, I need like a bunch of backups. So I picked up 3 of them. I really love this liner. However, I found mine. It had fallen behind my little makeup organization situation that I got on Amazon. And I found it. So now I have like 3 backups of it. It's amazing. It can be a little liquidy, but I just like to build it up. And again, I just picked up 3 of the brown Artista liquid liners. Here they are. I love them. So now I have 3 backups. These, it's so crazy because sometimes on their website certain things look bigger and then they come in and they're super small, and then the opposite. Sometimes things look like they're small and then they come in big, like the lip balm. So these in my mind were going to be a little bigger, but look at these. These are little baby primers. These are both from Malibu Glitz, and I went ahead and picked up 2 of their new primers that they added to the website. So this one just has a number 2 on it on the back, and this one has a number 4. So I think these are just, it says HD high definition face primer. They're meant to smooth the skin, but they're also color correcting supposedly. So let's see if we can see the color correcting properties of these primers. All right, so first off we have number 4, which is the green, which is, I believe, supposed to combat redness. I'm not really sure. And these are so tiny. I don't know if there's a lot of product in here. Ew, they're kind of like a thick kind of formula. So there is the green smoothing primer. Let me give them a swatch before I blend them out. And then we have number 2, which is a purpley kind of moment. I have a feeling they're kind of silicone-y. And there's a look at the purple. Give them a blending in moment. Yeah, they are feeling rather smoothing, rather silicone-y. Are they leaving a tint? You tell me. But from the viewfinder, honestly, it looks like they just blended in like a normal primer. So I don't know, we'll have to see my thoughts on these. We'll have to use them in a upcoming video, but yeah, so far I'm like intrigued. So they did go ahead and add a bunch of bronzers on their website, so I went ahead and picked up one of them in the shade Toasted. It's about time they added bronzer to their website. Honestly, I was using one of their pressed powders in a deep shade to get a bronzer tone. So again, this one here is in the shade Toasted, and it did come in a couple other shades. Hopefully this works for me. I'm gonna give it a swatch. So again, sometimes things look light when I swatch them, but then on the skin they actually blend out really dark. So we'll have to see, but that's the shade Toasted on my skin. Definitely cannot wait to try this out. I was super excited to see that they added bronzers finally after all this time. I also went ahead and picked up the Malibu Glitz situation. They added a bunch of colors on these face powders, or like, yeah, this is also a bronzer, and this one is in the shade 02 according to the sticker. So there's a look at that bronzer. Again, this one is in 02, and everything that I'm talking about today from this haul is going to be linked down below as always. So again, let's see how this works. I'm just going to swirl my finger in here, girl, because ew. Ooh, why does this one look a little more promising than the AOA Studio one? There's a look at 02 right there. Really promising. Definitely cannot wait to try this either. Going back to Malibu Glitz, they added a couple of their liquid highlights on their website. I went ahead and picked up 2 shades here. So this one here is in the shade Moonstone 04, and this is meant to be their shimmering skin perfectors. And these names are very similar to the Becca liquid highlights, which is really interesting. This one here is in Luminosity. And there was one that was really tempting, which was in Champagne Pop, but it was just too deep. So I'm going to give these a swatch. There is the shade Moonstone. Has a little bit of a purple shift. Gosh, now that I blend it out, that's how it looks. That's Moonstone. This is the shade Luminosity, which looks like that, which is more of a champagne kind of moment. So these are very highly pigmented. Wow. This might even be a little too dark for me, honestly. And these, I think, would work great for like a body highlight moment. For some reason, I also went ahead and picked up another bronzer. And this is the LA Colors Bronzer and Brush. And this is in the shade Glowing. I don't know why the name is Glowing if it's a bronzer. I honestly don't remember picking this up. But it comes with a brush that I'll never use. And then we get the LA Colors powder. I kind of swatched it accidentally, but there's the shade Glowing. Please don't tell me this is a highlight. Oh, it's like actual matte bronzer. Oh no, now that's hitting the light, it looks like a highlight. So weird. So there it is, the bronzer highlight. I guess it's like a shimmery bronzer moment. We'll have to see how I make this work. I honestly don't remember picking this up, but it looks like a very subtle highlight moment. Okay, so next things are like doubles of stuff because they added a bunch of just a bunch of makeup on their website. So starting off with these babies, which are from Princesa, and these are their blush collection palettes. So I bought 2 of them here. So the way that I'm distinguishing them apart is that one of them has like an orangey color and one of them has a pinky color. Let's go into the pinky palette first. There's a look at this palette, and when you open it, it looks like so. All right, this palette is so vibrant and fun. I cannot wait to try these out. And there's a swatch, a quick swatch of all 4 blushes in here. Again, super quick swatches. They're super pigmented. And then we have the more neutral out of the 2, I guess. And this one comes with more orangey tones. But now that I'm opening it, it's like literally bright as well. Again, also super pigmented. These are definitely more muted. There's a swatch of the second palette. And then they added a couple of the Malibu Glitz Pro Glow highlight palettes. And on the back, that's how they look. Definitely ABH dupes. First off, we have this purpley one, which I believe comes with more like duochrome kind of colors, which looks like that. There's a closer look at this palette, super cute. And there's a swatch of this palette, really nice formula, very smooth. And again, really quick swatches of that as well. We're gonna be trying all of this out, so don't fret. We'll be back with these palettes soon. And then we have, I guess, a more day one out of the 2. Maybe more bronzy tones, which looks like so. Again, there's a closer look at this palette and some swatches of that. They're actually a really nice formula from what I can see swatching them out. Really smooth and shiny. So far, I'm kind of really intrigued by the blush palettes as well as the highlight palettes. And lastly, they added a bunch of these like Revlon dupes from Princesa, and these are like eyeshadow slash lipstick slash face products. So this is basically like an all-in-one kind of moment. Literally come with everything you need in here: a lip brush, a like face brush, and an eyeshadow situation that I'm never gonna use, but for anyone on the go, it's super convenient. So there's a look at the first palette, and then I think I'm gonna put them side by side as well so you guys could really see the difference between the 2. And then we have this one here, which, as you can see, we have a little buddy that's moving around. There's a look at this palette, and we are going to do a side-by-side moment. Not really sure what the difference is. Oh, this one's A, this one's 104A, and this one's 104B. So that's like the only difference on the back that I can see. But there's a look at the different colors in here, and these are lip products, and then we have eyeshadows at the top. So there's a look at those. I definitely cannot wait to try these out. They're definitely giving me Revlon vibes. Let me know if you get that same vibe. And on the back, you do get like this picture, and it tells you where to put everything as well. So those were the last 2 products, and we made it to the end. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about and the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from jokes to the high end, so if they're interested, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person, you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.